right, ladies and gentlemen, it is about that time. This is my favorite subject to talk about. We have some new UFO footage. We have some new alien conspiracies, some new UAP conspiracies. So this actually slipped my radar at first. I didn't even see this in my inbox. My boy Trevor actually texted me privately and said, yo, did you see any of this yet? I said, what are you talking about? He's like, bro, there's like UFOs over New Jersey. People are hearing aliens through their radio. Like, I had to jump on this. I had to look into this ASAP. So it is 10 p.m. on December 13th at the time of filming this. As you can see, this is major news right now. Look, 24 minutes ago, 7 hours ago, 9 hours ago, 4 hours ago, live. This is live right now. Y'all can see this is a very hot topic going on right now. So this first clip, straight from NBC News, take it for what it's worth. Obviously, NBC, CNN, MSNBC, right? Can any of these major news sources be trusted? I have no idea. We are going to try and get to the bottom of this. I am going to try and share with you my theories and what do I think this could have possibly been. So as you can see, we have this footage here of the UFO that was spotted over homes in New Jersey. Now, there are experts saying that these were obviously drones. They're testing drones. They're not even military. These are like some kids flying drones around. I don't even know. Like, okay, the triangular craft is a little bit, I don't know. I mean, it looks like a UFO. Let's be honest. It definitely looks like a UFO. If you saw this yourself with your own naked eye, you would think this was a UFO. All right, so let's go ahead and dig through some of these TikTok posts. I know TikTok is a lot of y'all's favorite social media. As you can see, 21 hours ago. What is going on? The drones seem to be taking actions as of today. What the heck? So in this video, you could clearly see a UFO like abducting water. I don't even know what's going on here. Is this some kind of beaming technology? I can't even tell you. All right, so check this out. We have another shot of the same drone, the same New Jersey drone, but spotted over Staten Island, New York. It kind of looks like an airplane. I don't even know. We got the green light, the red light blinking. This clearly looks like a normal commercial aircraft. Obviously in this video, it's like hovering, it's moving really slowly. You can almost tell it's not an airplane based off of the characteristics of flight. However, it could be a drone. Let's be honest. This could be an actual drone. I don't think it's a military test. Let's be honest here. I don't think the military would be testing these drones this low for everybody to see and scare the entire public. Here we have another one. This is allegedly another shot of the drone from New Jersey. See, what is this Photoshop? Like, what am I even watching here, bro? This is like allegedly off someone's Ring camera. I don't know, dude. The smoke trail coming off the back. Y'all see this? It kind of looks a little bit like fireworks or something. Like, I don't think that's a UFO. And honestly, I don't even think that's a drone, dude. Like, what? Comment below. Like, what even is this? So there's tons of footage of this. There is absolutely tons of footage of the New Jersey UFO drone sighting going around, which is great. I love when a big UFO story hits like national headlines and then there's a bunch of videos on it that are shot. Like, I don't like the CNN videos. I like when it's videos that somebody shot on their iPhone. That's the most footage that I want to look at. So in this shot, I think you can clearly tell that it's a drone. That clear as day looks like a big ass drone. Is this it? The DJI FC30? Bro, look at the size of this drone. Y'all are seeing that, right? That drone is bigger than 2 human men. That's why this footage in particular, this specific video, it definitely looks like the drone that I just showed you. Like, that clear as day looks like a giant DJI drone. Or is it like, does it have wings? Y'all see that? Is this like a military drone? Like a straight UAV? So this is the zinger right here. I was waiting to run into one of these clips. So this is one of the clips that Trevor sent me. He said that as these drones were flying overhead, people that are listening to radio, right? Like you're not on Bluetooth, you're not on aux, like the actual radio, like 95.7, 104.1, right? People that were listening to the actual radio were apparently hearing aliens through the radio. The aliens were like beaming voices down into people's radios. Let's take a look here.
Oh my fucking god, freaking out.
Why does it sound like whale calling? Bro. So this was filmed, this is a Staten Island radio station listening to Christmas radio, and then this intercepts the radio. Comment below, what are y'all thinking about that? What did we just hear? So, not only are there mysterious drones flying over New Jersey and New York, but people got their radios intercepted by probably the creepiest audio to ever exist. If that is real, that is hands down the creepiest audio I've ever heard. Y'all heard that? It sounded like whale calls, I don't know, but here's the thing. I have the one guy standing on my shoulder saying, it's real, it's real, it's real. Then I got the other guy standing on this shoulder saying, it's fake, it's fake, it's fake. Like, this could be easily faked, let's be honest. Like, if you really wanted to prank an entire city, I think you could hijack some radio frequency, some radio station. I think that you could broadcast these noises. You'll get in a lot of trouble with like the FCC or whatever, but you can definitely hack some radio station and broadcast weird, creepy noises, especially with like the Russian pipeline hack, right? Apparently hacking American electronics is just dumb easy, apparently. So that is the other side of the argument. The drones spotted over New Jersey. What is my honest beliefs? I want to believe that it's real aliens, real UFOs. I want to believe that this radio station clip is real alien audio beaming voices down into the radio. I want to believe all that's real. Can we come up with logical explanations for how this stuff is happening? We already myth busted the radio thing, right? I think you could hack a radio station or jack into like some radio tower and just pump this audio through a radio tower. I think it's not that hard to spoof the alien radio audio. I don't think that's that hard to fake. The drones, we paused that video. It kind of looked like a drone. It actually kind of looked like a drone. Was it an actual UFO? Probably not. Which is weird to me. Like, why is the New Jersey drone UFO incident making national headlines? Like, is this a distraction from something else going on? Comment below. What are they distracting us from? We just had Trump win. Is this a cover up for a failing economy? A cover up for a failing medical system, schooling system? What are they trying to distract us with, right? When you see all of the mainstream news sites spamming in your face, UFO spotted, drones, aliens. When you start seeing stuff like that, you have to ask yourself, what is it that they don't want you to see? What should I be Googling? What should I be researching right now that is a bigger problem than aliens? We have another New Jersey UFO video here, as you can see, and it says WTF, drone shooting something, New Jersey drone/UAP. So this is real, guys. This is actual real. This is a real thing happening right now. There is something weird happening in New Jersey and New York. And this is concerning to me. I live in Connecticut. We were just in New York last night. Shout out everyone on my kick. Me and Matt drove to New York City. I got a sim wheel. Then we got some authentic Queen's pizza. I was just in New York literally last night. I saw no UFOs, but me and Matt saw a plane crash live on kick, dude. Me and Matt were driving down the highway. All of a sudden, cops start flying. The highway gets shut down. I'm live on kick as this is happening. Matt Slides drops a comment. He's like, bro, dude, like 2 miles up, a plane crashed on the highway right in front of you guys. We get off the highway, do a little detour. There's a bridge, dude. We cross the bridge. We look down. There's a fucking plane on the highway. We actually saw the plane. So I don't know, dude. New Jersey, New York, dude, some weird shit going down right now. This weird tentacle UFO thing was spotted in a New Jersey drone swarm. Is this legit or is this super photoshopped? Like, dude, is this AI video shit getting way too good nowadays? Oh my God, I don't get it. I'm so intrigued. I want to know. I want to get to the bottom of this so bad, but there's just no hard concrete evidence of what this really was. Fleet of UFOs caught hovering above the clouds of New Jersey. This footage definitely can be faked. This footage absolutely can be photoshopped. I don't know though, it looks somewhat legit. I'm gonna be honest. It doesn't, like, when you're watching the camera guy move the camera around, like the UFOs aren't like glitching around. So it's like either super, super good editing, or this might be a real video of the UFO swarm. All right, now I got another theory. I just thought of this. What if there was an actual UFO swarm and then the government threw up a bunch of drones to distract everyone? This is good. This is good, guys. So that's my theory. There could have been real UFOs, and then the government sent up a bunch of drones and then told everyone it's all drones to kind of, you're looking up in the sky and you're seeing hundreds of lights everywhere. What if half of them are real UFOs? What if the other half are government drones? I don't know. I'm just spitballing out loud here. Oh, is this it? Yes, this is the plane crash. This is the exact plane crash that me and Matt saw literally last night, bro. We drove over this exact bridge. We drove over this exact bridge live on Kick and literally saw this. We saw that plane crashed on the highway right in front of us with our own eyes. That's so cool that this video popped up like that. And as you can see, that video was posted 8 hours ago. This is all super fresh. I don't know what exactly that is, but that does not look like a bunch of DJI drones. Maybe, what if they saw that first and then threw up a bunch of drones to tell everyone that it's just a bunch of drones? Don't worry about it. Like, what if that is a real UFO mothership, like splitting off? I don't know. I know I sound a little crazy, but it's fun to experiment mentally with these thoughts, like the what ifs, right? These are the questions that keep me awake at night. Anyway, let me know in the comments what y'all are thinking. I had to make this video ASAP. Right when Trevor sent me that video, I was like, oh damn, there's like some new UFO shit going down right now. Comment below. Is it fake? Is it photoshopped? Are they drones? Was there real UFOs? I want to know what you guys are thinking. Please let me know in the comments. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will report back on this if I hear anything else, but as of right now, that is all I know. This is all I've seen. Thanks for watching. Peace out.